Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to verify your Robinhood account. First, open the App Store on your iPhone. Here search for Robinhood and make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Now open the Robinhood app, then tap on Create New Wallet if you're setting up a wallet for the first time. Here, tap on Enable Face ID to add an extra layer of security. Now tap Continue. You'll then be given the option to back up your wallet or choose Remind Me Later. For better security, it's recommended to back up your wallet and safely store your recovery phrase. Once you're ready, tap on the three lines in the top left corner. Here, tap on Backups and Security. Now you can review your security settings, enable additional protection features, and confirm that your wallet backup is complete. If prompted, verify your identity by providing the required personal information and following the on-screen instructions. You may need to confirm your email address, phone number, or upload a valid government-issued ID. After submitting your information, Robinhood will review your details. Once the verification process is complete, you'll receive a confirmation notification and your account will be ready to use. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.